Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and this would be my first video for making something in Android Studio. So let's get started. I am here to explain about what is sensors in Android Studio and how we can use them efficiently. Before implementation, before going moving forward and implementation part, let's first we will see what is sensors and read the documentation which is provided by Android. So simply type sensor Android and you get sensors overview. So what is sensors overview here? Uh, like uh, Most Android powered devices built-in sensors होते हैं which is responsible that measures motion, orientation, various environment conditions weather application might use device standard sensors like you might see that if when you are on call doing call and your phone is like blink off and on when you comes your phone contact of your ear like this happened with the sensors detect object when the object come near the sensors, then sensors automatically perform their working. So many types of sensors are available in our devices like motion sensors. It is responsible for motions, detect motion, position sensor, environment sensor. So apart from that, we will go with environment sensors and see a demo that how the sensors environment sensor work in the type light sensors, how the type light sensors work. Basically, the right side of your camera, front camera, a sensor is situated, established, which is not seen to you directly, but there is a sensor which is responsible for manage the light of your mobile device. So here, first of all, moving forward to coding part, I will show you the demo of sensor. So this is demo. When I put light on the camera on right side, then it blow the image else it goes. And here's a reading of every sensor chain value. You can see. So this is basically a video demo. How can we implement this? So let's get deep down in the sensors. So basically how we can implement that. So this video is making in Android Jetpack Compose. So first of all, we extend the sensors event listener class. This is a class which is extended into main activity. And first of all, we will make two variable like pela sensor and second one is sensor manager, which is type of sensor and second is sensor manager respectively. I will I make two variable which is responsible for store the state of current background and is image visible. Basically, it is responsible for that if image is visible on screen or not, and this is basically responsible for manage the background color of the uh, device when the sensor value is change or vice versa. So coming into the on create method, uh, like uh, uh, we will initialize our sensor manager and sensor values, which we were uh, like uh, initialized previously at the get system service sensor services as manager and get default type like wait sir. Sorry guys for interrupting. So after initializing our two variables, sensor manager with get system service count sensor services serial and sensor manager and the sensor variable with get default sensor. Basically, this question mark represent as lambda, which is responsible for null value. Okay. After moving in set content, we use we calling a composer function my app where we passing is image visible in our function. So and this is our override function on sensor change and on accuracy change. This two functions on sensor change and on accuracy change comes from the class sensor event listener automatically by default. So in this function, the main logic of the sensors will work. So and on accuracy change, this is not so important at that time. On resume is responsible for working of sensors like calling our super super keyword on resume function, and on pass is responsible for stop the sensor activities. So in order to optimize our battery life of device. So on sensor change is responsible for like whole logic how the sensors will work on a specific value. So we use try and catch block for performing this operation because you know all what is mean by try and catch block. If you have done bit of programming language, then you can easily recognize what is this. So try if we passing we receive event as answer event, like check if event is this sign represent the null, check for null level dot values. We basically event gives us the array values, and we check if the value of this event is less than 30, then we do some task, else if it is not, then we will do some task. If we want to display something and we want to perform operation something like we initialize background where color dark gray is invisible, we initialize is visible false. So this is like our whole logic to perform operations. And after moving composer function, basically this is responsible for like if our is image or visual true, then we show our image, else we don't show our image. So basically this is like very short code for using the sensors, and I will provide the GitHub link of this source code. Okay guys, thank you.